Welcome, viewers. Yesterday we learned about the basics of English. To continue with English, basics of English, I want to request you to subscribe my channel so you get the valuable information through my channel. Let's start basics of English. In yesterday we we read about the vowels and consonant in which the five are vowels. The vowels has some sounds also. These sounds are 22 sounds of vowel and 24 sounds in consonant. Total 46 sounds are produced in both vowel and consonant. Understand with an example. Car. Here we produce the sound of A. This is one sound comes under vowel. A. A is the vowel. So one sound is A. Now take another example. Cat. Cat. The sound produce A. A is also now vowel. This is the example of vowel sound cat. Okay, take another example. Charge. Here the sound produced cha, and cha is the consonant. Cha is a consonant. So this is an example of consonant sound. Take another example. Chemistry. Here the sound produced K. Chemistry. K is also the consonant. So these are the some example where we understand that the vowels and consonant produce the sound, and these sounds are total 46 sounds. In English there is 46 sounds in English. When we pronunciate any word, any sentence, we produce 46 sounds. Okay, the concept is clear. Now again, I want to tell you something, that while making the sound there are many examples. So how many sounds you produce, give me the give me the sense give me in my comment box and tell me about the session. Do you like this session, and do you understand my topics? Am I clear my topics? So your feedback is very valuable for us, so please give us the valuable feedback about my content and being with us with our channel and support me. Subscribe my channel. If you like this video, like it, and thank you for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.